I'm the new divine. Your shine, so divine. Here's your shine, divine. Sunshine, sunshine. Oh, we like that. Sun shining. Oh, it's such a glorious, beautiful day. Here's sun shining. So sweet, we are vibing. The 1, 2, 3, to the 3, to the 4. The 1, 2, 3, baby, yes, that's 4. The 1, 2, 3, to the 3, to the 4. The 1, 2, 3, oh baby, that's 4. The 1 to the 2, to the 3, to the 4. The 1 to the 2, to the 3, let's explore. Get it creative. The 1, the 2, the 3, let's go. The 1, the 2, 3, go. Beams of light, shining bright, so divine. Don't you worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't you worry about a thing, yeah. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't you worry about a thing, yeah. Because every little thing is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Shine real bright, you're such a delight. Burn to light, shine bright, it's all divine. Ready for 5 the earth. I'm singing it quietly because got neighbors, but for those who know about for those who've heard my singing voice, it's very loud and very powerful. But it can also be soft as well. But I just flow, just be myself, flowing with the creativity. Get to be me, flowing endlessly. Beam, be a light beam, with the light beam, a flowing machine. Be a light beam. Yeah, this is just what's channeling through, baby. Such a good day, such a bad day. All I gotta do is be myself, and the rest will come to me. The rest will come to me. Do 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 do. Hope you're all having an awesome day. I love it in the sun, hun. Love it in the sun, 'cause you're the one. Love it in the sun, 'cause you are the one. Love it in the sun, 'cause you are always the one. Got to love it in the sun, 'cause you're always the one. Love it in the sun, 'cause you're always the one. Yes, you love it in the sun, 'cause you're always the one. All I have to do is be myself, and the rest will follow. All I gotta do is be myself, and the rest will flow. Remember, all you gotta do is be yourself, 'cause We are all a unique expression of the universe. We all have our own soul. We all have our own consciousness. And we are all a unique expression of the universe. I am divine. I am sacred. I am a beautiful angel being. And my beliefs, this right here is my holy temple. My energy is sacred and is only for love. My body is sacred and is only for love. Exclusive love. And nothing less than the love and respect and commitment and devotion that I deserve within a committed relationship. That is Hazel's rules. That's who I am. I don't ever settle for less than what I deserve. Because when you got the self-respect, it's the key. When you respect yourself, you live divinely. The 1 to the 3 to the 3 to the 4. The 1 to the 3 to the 3, let's explore. The 1 to the 3 to the 3 to the 4. The 1 to the 3 to the 3. Promise there's more. Got the rhyme in, got the shine in, got the vibe in. The 1 to the 3 to the 3 to the 4. The 1 to the 3 to the 3, let's explore. The 1 to the 3 to the 3 to the 4. The 1 to the 3, baby, there's so much more. Sun is shining, the river is sweet, make you wanna move. We go dancing in the sun. I'm a rainbow too, I'm a rainbow too. Let's go to the rescue. Here I am, don't you know you understand? Do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe? Gotta believe to achieve. Do you believe? Believe in yourself. Believe, 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 believe in yourself. Believe to achieve. The Arizona sky that's burning in your eyes. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. The Arizona sky that's burning in your eyes. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. Baby, I know, isn't that sweet? Hey, Hazel, guess so. Switch it up like a Nintendo. I love this song, it's so cool. And I like to make my own little version of things, my own little words. Good fun. Part of joy. Be joy, be creativity. Express yourself. Yes, so baby, I know Isn't that sweet? Hey, hazel guest soul. Switch it up like a flippin' Nintendo. Switch it up, we gotta switch it up like a Nintendo. Yeah. Content creation, vibration, or innovation. Content creation, raise your vibration, and have innovation. Vibes, be alive. Raise your vibes to feel alive. Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up, raise it up. Raise your vibration to have an innovation. Content creation to raise your vibration with innovation. Bring the fire, bring the fire, switch it up. Be the fire that you desire. Be the fire. Be the fire you desire. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it up. Be alive. Be alive. To do more than survive. 'Cause you are meant to thrive. You deserve to be alive and thrive.